Alrighty, welcome back. This is part 2. So this is where all the taxes and all the tax related stuff is happening. Okay, so we have our provincial and our federal. Since this is Ontario, we're going to be looking at tax brackets 1 through 5. Different provinces have different tax brackets, but I just made this for Ontario because that's where I live. So to find these values, if you're not too sure if you need to update these values, you can go over here. I put some links for the income tax brackets for individuals. You can just click this. That'll bring you to the Government of Canada website. So it's 2024 rates right now. So 15% on 55 or less, whatever. You can just take these values and put them into the sheet right here. So you can see these values are the same. So yeah, just take these values, insert them there. Then you have to scroll down, look for Ontario. So Ontario, check these out. 5.05% on 51K or less. Check these brackets, stick them in here, and this will then take your gross amount of money, do your deductions, which I still need to talk about. Anyways, all the fancy stuff happens here, takes away your gross to then be your taxable income, and then your taxable income gets put into these different tax brackets, the ones that you predefined up here, and then your provincial and federal taxes are combined. Then after deductions, and then you have your effective tax rates. That should not be a dollar sign. Okay, so 15.72% and 10.75% for salary. This is where the CPP and your EI are calculated. And then let's say your job gives you like a 4% vacation pay, which I think is standard. So you can adjust that value here. You can do 2%, 4%, whatever. Right? Don't get too scared. For Canadians, we all have our basic personal amount for both provincial and federal. Yeah, you'll have to look that up. Anyways, you put those values here and here. Then your tax credit will be calculated from that, based off of these two values multiplied by the lowest bracket. So this value is multiplied by your 15% to get your tax credit, and then this value for provincial is then multiplied by your 5.05%. So that's your first bracket for your provincial to get your 626. For your Canadian pension plan, you have to look at this website. So let's just look at 2024 because that's what the spreadsheet is currently set up for. So maximum annual pensionable earnings is 68,500. Take this value, you put it right here, and then I don't need that anymore. Then you look at your basic exemption amounts, 3,500. You then put your 6,500 here, and then you have your Canadian pension plan percentage, which is at the 5.95%, which is inputted here, and then you get your annual contribution limit, this value, and then you basically do the same thing for your employment insurance. So let's check out the employment insurance one. Maximum insurable earnings 63K or whatever. Take that, put that right here, and then the percentage was, or the percentage rate was 1.66. Put that there. That'll get you your annual contribution limit for this one. That's that. Then you also have your section for tax credits. You can choose any one of these. This is just to reduce your credit or the taxes that you're paying. And then your deductions reduces your taxable income, so that maybe if you have enough of these deductions, you will drop a tax bracket, which will help you save money. So choose any one of these, put in your value, it'll do your deduction for you automatically. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Oh, right. You also have your quick overview of gross income for both Joey and Sally. Total taxes paid, total CPP and employment insurance, and then you have your net income. And then you also have your effective tax rate. I hope that walkthrough wasn't too jarring and it wasn't too all over the place. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.